Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is the last and final video of a session. Basically, we are going to learn the log collectors. So log collection. So what are the logs will be getting collected from the Windows machine. So you people will be some if you are a fresher in cybersecurity. So you people will be thinking like how they are investigating the how they are doing the forensics and how they are investigating the machines. So we will learn one by one. So how they are going to investigate each and everything when what happened inside the machine. Okay. So if you see a log concept basically, so log is like so whenever you log in into the machines or whenever do you some operations when you are executing some commands through the PowerShell. So everything will be get logged, everything will be recorded, and it will be stored in one of the folders. The folder name will be let me show that folder. So it will be under the Windows System 32. You have to search for a WinEVT, and here you can find the logs. So inside the logs you can see there is a lot of files, right? So each file will hold each information. So now you can see the kernel based, it will store the kernel based errors and all kernel. It will be basically used for a diagnostic, like if you want to troubleshoot anything, you are using these logs to troubleshooting, and if you are using these logs to see what happened actually in the machine. So you can see there is a PowerShell.exe. Whenever any script were executed in the PowerShell, this will be recorded in the uh, PowerShell EVTX. This file has an extension. If you check the extension of the file, it will be in the EVTX event logs. Okay, so EVTX event log. The extension name was an event log. So whenever you are logging into the machine or whenever doing the logging off or any such activities, not only the login, everything. Okay, basically any process creation or any service creation, any schedule task or anything, registry modification, everything will be get logged inside the Windows machine. So you can see the application logs. So the application error logs and everything will be recorded here. Okay. So not only the Windows machine, Linux machine also have a separate log for that to handle the errors. Like it will be show what are the things happening inside the machine. Okay, so this is the things we are going to use for our forensics investigation, or this is the event logs we will be investigating when we are doing a threat analysis. Okay. So basically this will give you the evidence, give you the proof what happened actually inside the machines. Okay. So let's start exploring that in a practical. Okay. So let's see, there is a security.evtx. Let's open the security.evtx. So when you double click on the machine, so it will be get loaded. Okay. So here you can, so whenever you enter into the event viewer, you can find the Windows logs. So now you can see the security log. So this will give you the evidence who logged into the machine and when logged into the machine. So there's a set of event IDs like 4624. So 4624 will be like a successful logon. So whenever you will be putting the usernames and passwords in correct, okay, username and password, you will be get logged into the machine. Okay, so now the 4624 event ID will be logged. Event ID, if you see the 4624 event ID, you can see an account was successfully logged into the machine. Okay, so let's check that. Let's check that thing. Let's go to the 4624. So log on, you can see log on event from here. Let's filter our log with the 4624. So now you can find a few things like 4624. So now you can see the date and time. So when he was logged in and when he was logged in and all. So now you can see more information here in a general. So who logged in, when logged in. So each and everything that will be recorded, right? So we will learn the Windows logging events in a upcoming session, but we will see the logs. We will logs will be using for our forensics basically. Okay. So we are uh, so this will be used for upcoming session, so that I'm covering this in this session. Okay. I'm covering this video in this session. Okay. So basically we have each and every proof here. So I already noticed, if you see the event ID like 4624, it will be a successful logon. An account was successfully logged into the machine. There is a login event ID called the 4625. So if you go for a 46, if you go for an let me go for my personal machine, and we will I will just show you the 4625 system 32. Let's open the WinEVT logs and scroll down. So now you can find the security.evtx here. Let's filter it with the 4625. So 4625 is basically, yeah, 4625 is basically a failed login events. Okay, 4625. Let's filter that out. The 4625. So now 4625. So now you can see there is a 4625. So account logged on has been failed, right? So this is the account name. Maybe I have given the wrong username and password, so it has been failed. Okay. So apart from that, we need to understand one more thing. There is one more login mechanism that we will call it as a sysmon. So sysmon provides a very good overview about the log, what happened, and what was the SHA of the process executed, and what was the parent process, parent ID, parent process ID. It will give more detail when we trying to investigate the logs. Okay, so sysmon is very helpful for when you are doing such practice like forensics investigations, or doing your teaming operations. Okay, so it will be easy to download and install. Just download the sysmon, and we need to let's after downloading the sysmon, just go to the extract the sysmon, and go to the sysmon folder. So the only important information, when you are opening the command prompt, you need to run as an administrator. So after that, you have to redirect to the sysmon process. Okay, sysmon directory. So after redirecting to the sysmon directory, you have to execute this sysmon -i command. Okay, so it will be automatically get installed in your machine. Okay, so let's see what other things we can do with the sysmon. So let's go to the event log explorer. So after installing the sysmon, you can find your sysmon logs in the event viewer. Just open the event viewer from here, and let's go to the Windows logs. Let's go to the application service logs. So you can do like this, and go to the Microsoft and Windows. So scroll down a bit, you can find sysmon in a S alphabet placing. Okay, so now you can see there is a lot of sysmon logs. Like, it will be giving the process created and process terminated. So process creation event is like 1, process termination event is like 5. So let's install something. Let's install something. Okay, so let's install the ads-test.exe. Let me open the ads-test.exe, and okay, so let's skip that. It was not running. Yeah, okay, let's run the HA. Yeah, let's run the HAKK. So now the CMD has been opened. Go to the sysmon log and just do refresh. Let's see whether our command has been logged into the uh, in the logged in the sysmon log. So now you can find the hack.exe which we have installed. It was a process where created process creates and event ID will be one, and the explanation will be process create. So this is the parent image. So parent will be then explorer, because I have double clicked installed this HACKK from the explorer.exe. So this is the file explorer. So the user who executed was a user, so I am the user of the machine, and the folder that's the download. This is the hash of the file. Let's take the hash of the file and let's do copy pasting. Let's see whether it will be working. It will work or not. So now you can find the hash value was not matched. So it will be easily bypassing static detections of the antivirus programs. So it will use everything in a detail, like hash values and parent process, parent image, and everything. So in this course, most of the time we are using sysmon. So if you people need to install sysmon, just go ahead and install sysmon. So just you need to download that, and you have to redirect to the directory by using the administrator command prompt. Just right click on the and open the administrator and use this sysmon acceptula I. It will automatically execute everything in your machine. Okay, so that's all about this video, and I hope you have a clear understanding about the logs operations. Everything will be logged. So because in this course we are mostly when we are doing such kind of attacks, we are going to investigate this at the same time. So I am using this logs for my investigation. So this video will be very useful when you are dealing with that. Yeah guys, let's stop off this video and we will continue our discussion in the next section. Thank you.